was a super burp!
That's your body's way of letting out trapped gas. It's like a tiny superhero power. So next time you burp, just say, "Thanks, body."
Have you ever made a funny sound like burp? Oops, that was a burp. But why do we burp? Let's find out. When we eat or drink, we also swallow some air. That air goes into the stomach. The air builds up inside, and the body wants to get rid of it. So the air moves back up. And burp. Drinking soda can make you burp more, because soda has lots of gas bubbles. More gas means more burps. Eating too fast can also cause burping, because you swallow more air. Eating slowly helps reduce burping. Talking or laughing while eating can add air too, and that can lead to more burps. Remember to cover your mouth when you burp. And say, "Excuse me." Burping helps release extra air from your stomach. It's a normal part of digestion. Drinking water slowly can help. Sitting calmly after eating is also helpful. Healthy eating habits matter. Eating too much junk food can cause more gas, and that can lead to more burping. Your body is always trying to stay balanced. After burping, you may feel better, because the extra air is gone. Eating calmly helps your body. Even when drinking fizzy drinks, go slow. Enjoy your meals with friends. And don't forget to have fun. Burping is completely normal. It's just your body doing its job. Our bodies are full of interesting reactions, and science helps us understand them. Stay curious and keep exploring science.